So often I get asked how I create the outline offset on my text when I make cake toppers. And seeing as I work off my iPad, I use this app called Phonto. Literally, all you have to do is go down to the camera, hit plain images, and you can choose anyone, but for the sake of this video I'm just going to choose the white. But instead of using a white background, remove it so that you have the checkerboard, which in turns means it's going to be a transparent image, which comes in handy when you have to upload it into Design Space. And you can easily, you can just use it now, but I do suggest using and saving so that you don't have to do this process every single time you have to do a cake topper. Once it's uploaded, all you literally have to do is tap your screen, hit add text. So in this case, I'm gonna go with my nickname. We're gonna center it. In this case, these are the fonts I specifically installed into Phonto, but it'll also have all your defaults here too. So for the sake, I'm going to use what everybody knows. Let's use About Love. So you can go, really doesn't make a difference. Make it as big as you want so that you can see it. But the trick to getting your outline is with your text selected, you're going to go over to your style. You're going to select your stroke. I'm going to leave the color black because you can change the color in Design Space. But literally, it's as simple as adjusting the width. Once you're done, you're going to go and save image as a ping file. That is very important, especially with the transparent background. So once that's done, you're going to go over to Design Space, select Photo from Library, hit your image. And the reason that's transparent background, you don't have to worry about cleaning that part out at least. But all you have to do is hit remove, take out your inner, save as a print and cut, insert. I feel like something went wrong there. But you're going to contour, make everything black. Oh, luckily I can fix it. Yay. There. Duplicate. Line back up. Change it to whatever color. I'm going to use red. High contour. Show all. Remove the background. Remove whatever this mess up is. And there you have it.